Today I'm going to show how to create a fresh glowing look using Nude Envie makeup. These products are clean, skin-like and super comfortable to wear. Let's start with the eyes. I'm using the Eyeshadow Dreamy, a soft rose shade with a delicate shimmer. I gently apply the shadow to the eyelid for a bright, romantic touch. Easy to blend, it delivers soft color and natural radiant glow, perfect for everyday wear. Now for the cheeks, I'm using cream blush in the shade Passion. Deep rose tone that melts into the skin and gives that healthy flushed look. You can apply it with a brush or just your fingers for a quick, effortless glow. Next up is the Lipstick Mesmerise, a soft nude that looks great on all skin tones. It has a creamy texture that feels amazing on the lips and lasts all day. It's vegan, paraben-free and made with ingredients that actually care for your skin. To add some glow, I'm applying Lip Glossy Shine, a sheer baby pink. It adds a glossy finish and makes the lips appear fuller thanks to vitamin E and glaze soja oil. Perfect on its own or layered over lipstick for extra dimension. And that's it! A soft natural glam look using Nude Envie. Made with love, these products will last all day and let your natural beauty shine. Thank you so much for watching. You will find all the product links down in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.